Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So we're doing a little off the beaten path ATV trip today with our friend Jamie, who lives in Santa Teresa. He's from Canada originally as well, lived in Whistler before this, and we've been chatting for a while online and we finally got to meet you, which is cool. And thanks for setting all this stuff up. And yeah, we're excited to go see your neck of the woods, and eventually we'll show you our neck of the woods. So yeah, we got a couple ATVs that we've rented. Jamie's got his, so we're gonna head out and show you guys what to expect around Santa Teresa. Alright, so first stop is Malpais. It's crazy that people surf here. Look at all the rock. I mean, it's lower tide right now. But yeah, it's cool. The water looks really blue right now with the polarized lenses. Apparently there's some really nice tide pools over there you can go check out, see what there is for fish and stuff like that. But yeah, it's another beautiful beach in Costa Rica. We've seen so many. I can't remember how many beaches there are in Costa Rica, but they're all like super stunning. They're all different in their own way. But yeah, I'm gonna get the drone up and show you guys what it's like from the air. Also want to give a shout out to True Nature Adventure Tours for hooking us up with these quads. Guys are awesome. They actually brought them up to the house for us because we don't have our car here, so we didn't have to take a taxi down and pay for that just to go pick up the quads. So they delivered them. Rather give them a little bit extra for doing that. But yeah, thanks to those guys. If you're in Santa Teresa, I'm gonna have their number below and their all their contact info. So if you want to book an ATV, these are brand new. They're like 2022 or 2021, and yeah, really good guys. So yeah, if you want to book ATVs, check out the link below and give these guys a call or an email or whatever, and yeah, they'll set you up. And yeah, they've been great. So finished here at the beach, as you saw from the sky. Such a cool spot. We're gonna jump on the ATVs now and head to the next spot. All right, so a little dusty ride over to Montezuma. We're just stopping here for lunch at Chico's, and yeah,
we are dusty, but we love it.
Yeah,
that's
awesome.
The fun part.
Yeah, we are gonna do a more in-depth video, actually 2 videos on Montezuma. We're coming back on Monday to do that, but we needed somewhere to stop for lunch, and this was the spot to go. So yeah, check out this. That's what I think.
Yeah, I don't know. Whatever you guys want.
Oh God, Todd's following all your gizmos too. He's starting to
Oh
buy
yeah, he's buying all this stuff.
Drone.
Good job, Todd. You got to get all that stuff. All right, so we met Lena here. We're in Montezuma. She's been watching our videos for years. She's from Vancouver. You're out here scouting for maybe, possibly.
We followed you around and we decided to find a little place in Costa Rica, and it's taken us a few years to get here.
Right.
But we're here.
Yeah. So hi, Todd. You gonna say hi to him? We're enjoying the beach and the drinks, and he's back home, I take it?
He's gone to Vancouver just this week, and he left me behind. So I can tell
nice
him, Todd, he is real.
Yeah, you see? Yeah, it's so cool to run into you, and thanks for watching all our videos and stuff.
Thank you for
Thanks, Todd, for
posting
watching
and
as well. Yeah, you betcha. Yeah, enjoy your lunch.
You too.
All right. All right, so we just finished lunch here at Chico's. Super easy to find. It's on the first corner when you come in. Shayna got a Chief Rijo, which was named something else, right? What was it called?
I don't remember the exact.
Oh yeah, it was like lechon or something.
They just had a different name.
Yeah,
for it.
they can't name it the same because the guy invented Chief Rijo and they didn't want to have like copyright issues or whatever. But I got like chicken fingers and fries, which are chicken fingers always are good because it's like actual meat, like chicken breast. And then Jaden got the typical arroz con camarone. Makai got fries and cheese sauce, so healthy. And then Jamie got a roast con pollo, right? It was good. Yeah, yeah. It's super consistent with that meal all over Costa Rica. You can't go wrong with that. So
Not a bad one yet.
yeah. So yeah, we're gonna leave Montezuma now. Again, we're gonna be coming here on Monday doing another video, so stay tuned for that one. We're gonna head up to a waterfall. That's not the Montezuma waterfall because we want to go somewhere that's not as crowded and more off the beaten path. So yeah, we're gonna head that way now. All right, so we just got to the entrance of where the waterfalls are. This is piscinas. So 3 pools, but he said there's 4. And yeah, it's just a little, some steps down. You could drive through the fields to get here. So that's how off the beaten path it is. You gotta go through the farmer's field, you gotta pay at the gate. And yeah, we'll see how the walk down is. Cold?
Beautiful, dude.
Yeah. All right, so we made it down here to the waterfalls. Yeah, there's a few waterfalls, a few pools. Really cool spot. I'm not gonna jump in today, but refreshing, yeah.
Super good.
Yeah, Jamie jumped in as you saw, so yeah, definitely a cool spot to check out. I'm sure a lot of the locals know about this place, so you can ask them when you're in Santa Teresa where it is and who to help get here and stuff like that, but definitely worth checking out. And yeah, the stairs weren't too bad to come down. A little steep, but at least there's actually steps on the last part, so yeah, come check this out. Alright, so we are back here at our Airbnb. This afternoon we just hung out here for a little bit in the pool and relaxed after the dusty quad ride. And then we just went to 109 in Malpais for dinner. It's called 109 because there's 109 stairs to the top, but it has an amazing sunset, which you guys are seeing right now. Overlaid. Yes, we did a video there, a full restaurant video, so you guys can check that video out as well. The link will be up here once it comes out or down below. But yeah, really good food. We ate well. We had some bone marrow, roasted bone marrow, some camembert, a steak. Just kind of shared everything, had a couple drinks. But yeah, definitely worth checking out when you're in the area. So go there. Go there for sunset. That's what it's for. I mean, it's nice at night because the breeze is there. But yeah, check that video out. And yeah, we are going to end this video off here. If you guys like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come with the videos. Tomorrow we're going to Isla Tortuga on a tour, so stay tuned for that video, and we'll see you then. Ciao.